Right folks, in this video I'm just going to edit a few of those anchor points just to get a bit of a curved fringe on there, and then I'm going to draw the hair on the left side. So select the hair front layer in your layers menu, zoom in, center over the face, select the pen tool again, but click and hold this time to convert point tool, and you can click on these anchor points and we can convert them to curves. You may wish to do this, you may not, it just depends on what you've sketched, what you want your design to look like. Don't need to do them all, maybe just do one or two. That's how to convert anchor points to get a nice curved fringe on there. Let's have a look at this one, see if we can get a nice curve on this one. There we go. Just adds a bit of detail to your superhero's hair, make it stand out from the rest. There we go. Right, next job then, let's have a look at the hair on the left hand side. So select the hair left layer. Okay, sorry, the left side layer in the layers menu. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to center myself over that layer. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure my hair. Okay, using this rectangular marquee tool. Select the tool there, second one down. Click and drag. Okay, over where the hair goes to on the left, and it will say H for height. Can you see how it changes? The px, that's pixels. 101 pixels is the length of the hair down the left side. Now we want our hair to match up when we fold it, so I want the width this time. Okay, see what I'm doing there? So the height's 100 pixels there vertically, so that's going to translate to the width being 100 pixels on this left layer here. So I can now draw my hair knowing where it needs to start and end. So I'm going to select the pen tool. Okay, I'm going to drop my first anchor point. Remember, I've got the left side layer selected. Drop the second anchor point where that ends, and that now will match to there when I cut it out and fold it up. We really want to think about human form here and what human hair looks like, and you'll notice that hair goes around the side of the head, around the ear, which will be roughly here, okay, and then it'll start to get longer towards the back of the head. Just look at your partner, their head. You don't want to look like you've got a bowl cut, okay, and then back to the starting point really precisely and accurately, and just check that your pen's set up right. Check the stroke, 0.3 pixels thick. Name it hair left. There we are, that's the hair on the left side done, and now that will match up when I fold it. The only thing I need to do now is get the angle of the gradient right, so tap on fill, make sure you've got the pen tool selected, tap on fill. You can change the angle of the gradient here so it goes from orange at the top to red at the bottom. Okay, and I'll teach you why that's important in a couple of videos time. But that's the hair on the left side done. Next video I'll show you how to move that onto the right hand side, which I think you'll know how to do anyway.